Hello friends, in this video we learn about allosteric enzymes. In 1961, J.C. Gerhardt and A.B. Pardy reported different type of enzyme from E. coli, that is allosteric enzyme, aspartate transcarbamylase. Aspartate transcarbamylase exhibited two binding sites, one for substrate and other for small molecules known as modulators or effectors. As this enzyme did not follow Michaelis-Menten kinetics but exhibited a different type of kinetics known as sigmoidal kinetics, that is cooperativity. The curve obtained with increasing concentration of substrate was not a hyperbolic but S shape. ATKs catalyze the first step in pyrimidine biosynthesis, that is carbamyl phosphate and aspartate converted into carbamyl aspartate. In addition to the substrate binding site, this enzyme also harbors additional active site for binding of small molecules, namely CTP, UTP, and ATP. These small molecules regulate the enzyme positively or negatively depending upon the cellular requirement for these nucleotides. This is the typical sigmoidal kinetics of aspartate transcarbamylase. In this case, positive effector is ATP while the negative effector is CTP or UTP. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.